Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on Xreal Beam Pro. To edit them, slide down from the top of your screen, then slide down again, and here are the shortcuts you can edit. To edit them, click on this pencil icon here, and here on the top these are the enabled tiles, and here are the disabled tiles. To enable a tile, press and hold on it, then drag it up somewhere here, for example, or here. You can rearrange these tiles by dragging them, and you can also remove a tile by pressing and holding, then sliding them here. And now you can click here to go back, and you can see that it's edited, and these first four are gonna be on the quick menu when you slide down just once. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.